Super fresh at hot off the press. Artista update para sa inyong mga beshi.
Hello mga beshi, ngayon nga ay birthday ng isa sa mga totoong kaibigan ni Kim Chiu na si Bella Padilla. At ito nga ang birthday message ni Kimmy. Happy birthday to my Taurian twin Monzi, Belly. Monzi, ang dami nating picture. Kinyo lang ang collage ng IG at ng ibang photo collage app, sa dami neto kaya ako na lang nag-adjust. Hahaha 1.8 pa lang to sa dami. Kidding aside, Monzi, happy birthday. I am truly grateful to call you my friend, a person who is selfless, very humble, and loyal. A kind of friend that feels you and knows you very well kahit di kayo laging nag-usap at nagkikita. Monzi, you are one of a kind superwoman, who is not afraid and can do anything she wants. Ang dami nating natutunan each other this year. Haha, thank you moms for everything. Alam mo na yun, pag nagkikita tayo meron ka agad bond na kahapon yung last kita natin. Amazing. Thank you moms. Continue to be a blessing to others. Cheers to more travel, road trip, chikahan, dinner dates, shots, photos, laughters, and more. Have a blast today. Monzi, you deserve all the love in the world. Enjoy your special day. And see you later. Love you. Hashtag ang Becky will never be complete without the B in the middle. Hello Monzi Angelica. PS last photo hihihi.
Gusto mong katahin?
Gusto mo interviewin ka na lang namin?
Hindi! Wag ganon, di masakit.